Izmir, located on the Aegean coast in western Turkey, is the region's most significant and largest metropolitan center, with an archaeological and historic heritage reaching back 8,500 years. It is said to be Homer's birthplace. It is also well known for the natural and historic splendor of its surroundings. Izmir, a laid-back city on the Turkey's west coast, is the exact opposite of Istanbul in many aspects. Istanbul is packed with imported accents, faces and tourists from all over the world. In Izmir you'll mix with locals whose origins in the region date back to antiquity. Istanbul has a dizzying array of sights, colors and noises to offer. In Izmir, the silent Azure Sea may absorb all of your attention for hours. But don't worry, there are lots of wonderful active things to do in Izmir as well. Izmir was once known as Smyrna. Some languages such as Greek and Spanish still use this term. Today, Izmir is best known as Turkey's most westernized city. A major portion of the population is Muslim, and mosques can be seen everywhere. However, it is not always obvious when walking around the city center. Numerous women do not wear veils, alcohol is provided on many terraces, and the residents love gathering on the beach to have a beer or eat sunflower seeds or rice balls, even during Ramadan. Izmir's pedestrian zone is very beautiful. There are stores everywhere, a lot of people and notably scents and flavors coming from all directions. Izmir has a variety of mosques, several of which are worth a visit. Those near the center, in the market district and towards Konak are easy to find, but if you were to be recommended one more, it would most likely be Fatih Kamis, which is located at 36 Birleşmiş Milletler Street. It is worth a visit for its lovely color and magnificent panoramic perspective of the city. Izmir is the symbol of water and wind, with its thermal spring in one part and blue flag sandy beaches and intense blue sea in the other. The city known in Turkey as the beautiful Izmir is situated at the end of a long narrow gulf and benefits from the Aegean Sea mountain breeze. With the exception of a few dishes that can be found throughout the country, Turkish cuisine provides a variety of regional specialities. To the north, the Black Sea area provides maize and anchovy delicacies. The southeast is well known for its kebabs, meze, appetizers, and sweets such as kadayif, baklava, and künefe. The Mediterranean cuisine is rich in vegetables, spices, and seafood throughout the whole Mediterranean, Aegean and Sea of Marmara coast. Central Anatolia is famous for its kneaded delicacies such keşkek and mant, particularly from Kayseri and Gözleme. In Izmir, try the kumru, a filled sandwich with sausage, beef cheese, tomato with peppers, the boyos, puffed bread and the gözleme, which is similar to a crepe and is stuffed with cheese and spinach, minced meat, eggs and mushrooms. Don't miss out the fragrant simit, traditional salted donuts with sesame seeds. Ephesus, one of Turkey's most popular tourist destinations, is the most significant and best preserved ancient city. It is an outstanding universal value of the planet for all time, with a history dating back to 6000 BC. Ephesus' old city is made up of temples, theaters, libraries, homes, and statues. Among the most magnificent are the impressive Library of Celsus, the 24,000-seat Grand Theatre, the Temple of Aegean, the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the terrace houses of Roman nobles, and the Cave of 7 Sleepers, the Parliament building, commercial and state agoras, baths, city gates, monuments, fountains, public toilets, and even a brothel. Ephesus, one of the 7 holy churches described in the Bible, is especially significant for religious tourism. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.